everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. I am so excited to be sharing my annual fall clean and decorate. This is definitely one of my favorite videos to film every year. I really hope that you enjoy seeing how I decorated for fall. I'm getting started in my front entryway. This wasn't really that messy, so it only took a little bit of tidying and vacuuming to getting it all clean. As far as decorating, all I'm going to be doing is putting up my fall wreath. I got this at HomeGoods years ago, and I love how it has all the traditional fall colors, and it really brightens up my door.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again.
My dining room is one of my all-time favorite rooms to decorate. It's the first room you see as you enter my house, so I really like it to look extra special. Once I changed out my tablecloth, I added this fall runner that I got, I believe, 2 years ago, again at HomeGoods, and I'm adding some decor as a tablescape. I have these gorgeous metallic pumpkins that I got last year, and as well as my showstopper fall autumn truck. I love this thing. It is so cute. I got it at Kirkland's, and I did see it again there this year, so it is still available if you are interested in it.
Falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are.
I decided not to decorate my bay window this year. I just felt like it was a little bit too cluttered in the dining room last year, and I like a more minimalist design look. So instead, I'm going to be putting my pumpkin spice latte machine. This thing is like my favorite thing of decor. I'm going to stick it over here in the corner so it looks nice and neat, but still prominently displayed.
Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater.
My wine bar is one of the first things you see when you walk in, so I love decorating it really nicely for the seasons. So once I just give it a quick dusting, I'm going to put this sunflower pot that I got at the Christmas tree shop. It must have been seriously 8 or 9 years ago. I've had it forever. And then I picked up these little monogram pumpkins at Kirkland's this year. They have the initials of all of our names, and I thought they were so cute.
We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling.
I have a few cocktail mixes on the wine bar, so I thought I would just cover those up with these fall signs that I got last year on Dollar Tree, and I think that everything came together so nicely.
Falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega.
The last piece of decor I'm adding in the dining room is this standing fall sign. I don't really have anything over here, so I thought that this was the perfect piece to jazz it up just a little. Let me know what you guys think of the dining room and how it all turned out. Honestly, I think it looks so great, just enough pieces to really spruce it up for the season without being totally overboard.
Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha.
Now I'm moving on into my kitchen. I actually had quite a bit of cleaning to do in here because we had just finished up breakfast. So once I get everything all picked up and tidied away, we can start on the fun part, which is decorating. Now, I try not to go overboard at my kitchen. Like I mentioned, I like a more minimalist design look, and definitely don't want to have too much cluttering my countertops because that just makes it harder to clean.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it
But as you can see, the kitchen is finally clean and I'm going to start putting a few pops of decor over here. So I'm really sorry about the lighting. It's very hard to film facing a window, but after I get this window cleaned, this is where I'm going to put up a few bits of my decor over here. I think the windowsill is a great place to just put some little mini decorations. So I'm playing around with these colorful pumpkins that I got last year at Dollar Tree. I didn't really like the look of all three of them on the windowsill. Again, I just thought it looked a little bit too cluttered. So instead, I'm putting this new little photo clip that I got this year. I believe it was from Big Lots. You can check my fall shop with me. That's where I show everything that I bought. But it has a little apple on it that says Autumn Wishes. And I put in this picture of my kids that I think is so cute. And then instead of all three pumpkins, I just added two of them to the top part of the windowsill, and I thought it came out really nice. Now I'm adding in this new glass cutting board. I got this for only $2 at the Christmas tree shop. It says pumpkin spice and everything nice, and I thought it fit perfectly over by my little coffee area in the corner. And then I have the same saying. I love this saying on this sign. I got this again last year at the Dollar Tree, I believe, and I have this little hook on the ceiling. I believe it's probably for like plants or something, but I always like putting cute little signs up here, especially for changing them out every season. I got some new pot holders that I'm just going to hang on a knob over here so that I can easily grab them whenever I need them, right over here next to the oven. They have this pretty blue and orange fall design. And then I'm just putting out a few of my fall themed dish towels on the oven to complete the look. The last thing I need to do in the kitchen is put up this sign. This wall was empty, but I have a little hook on there that I can add some decor. So I got this a few years ago at Kirkland's, and it says Hello Pumpkin, which is just perfect for fall, as you can tell. So that's it for the kitchen. Not very much, but a few pops of fall, just enough to spruce it up and make it festive.
I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard.
I'm moving into the living room, and again starting with the cleaning portions so that I have a fresh slate for decorating. There was just a few toys and things that needed to be tidied up, so it really didn't take me that long at all.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
I'm starting out with the stand under my TV and adding two of my favorite pieces of fall decor here. This little pumpkin over here has sort of like a sweater pattern fabric on it that is so cute, and it matches perfectly with a pillow that you'll see in just a little bit. And then my wooden apple is one of my favorite things I've ever gotten. I got this years ago, so I apologize. I don't know exactly where, but it's probably from Home Goods. So I just thought that area looked a little too cluttered with some of the stuff that was already on it. So after clearing out a few things, I think it looks absolutely perfect. Now I'm just adding the coasters that was over on the TV table over here on this side table, and adding that extra pumpkin that I didn't use in the kitchen before putting up my autumn sign over here on the wall.
Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to.
Over on the couch, I'm adding my fall pillows and blanket. These are ones that I've had for at least a year, so I'm just going to be reusing them. One of the pillows you'll see is this black and white buffalo check, and it has the exact same white sweater pumpkin design that we saw over on that decor piece on my table. They just coordinated so nicely. I was so happy when I found them, even though I got them at different stores last year. I also have a very traditional Happy Fall Y'all red truck pumpkin with lots of traditional fall colors that I think look so nice, as well as my fall themed blanket that is so cozy over in the corner. Over here on the wall, I'm doing my very best to hang up this wide happy fall sign that I got this year at Kirkland's. Usually I have my husband do all the hanging, so I'm doing my best to make sure it's level. And I actually did a really good job, so I'm proud of myself. And I think that the black frame on it coordinates really nicely with our family photo that was already there. Now, this is the first year I've been able to really decorate this bookshelf. I love having a little bit of extra space to put up some decor pieces. So after I get this all cleaned off, I'm just adding a few little touches like some pumpkins and then my fall wheelbarrow all the way at the bottom filled with pumpkins and pine cones.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way. And we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. You would like me just.
All that's left to finish up this room is do a quick vacuuming of the floors and the rug. I absolutely love how everything came out in this room. It's just my style. A few little pops of decor without being too overpowering, and it still looks nice and clean. So I have a few before and afters at the end that I think is a really fun way to showcase the decor. So let me know which piece of decor in this room is your favorite.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do, do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to do.
If you aren't already following me over on Instagram, I would love to be friends over there. My handle is contemporary_mama, so super easy to remember. I share a lot of fun things that I'm doing with my kids, a lot of tap to cleans and daily food inspiration. I've been doing the Whole30 for the month of August and sharing a ton of that stuff as well. The last place I'm decorating is my master bedroom. Now, I had actually washed my sheets and cleaned the room just 2 days ago, so it was really quick to clean and decorate this room. All I'm doing to start out is removing my summer quilt. This was perfect for the summer because it's super lightweight, but for the fall and winter, I definitely need my traditional heavier comforter. So after I get that swapped out, I'm just adding in my fall pillows in here. I love that they have such beautiful jewel tones like pink and purple and blue, so it adds some fun fall feels without being like too orangey, which just does not go in with my bedroom decor. Over on my husband's nightstand, I swapped out that lemon tree for this new sign that I got at the Christmas tree shop. It says "The snuggle is real," and I thought it was so cute and matched with a lot of the decor that I already had. Over on my nightstand, all I did was swap out my floral arrangement for my ceramic pumpkin that says "Thankful." Again, lots of pretty jewel tones, pinks and purples on there. And then I added my new velvet pink pumpkin that is so cute and elegant, and I think it complemented everything perfectly since I have a beautiful rose gold phone stand there. Everything just tied together so nicely. On the shelf over my bed, I added a little sign that says "I love fall." Most of all, this couldn't be more true, so I had to add that in somewhere. So that's it for my bedroom. I love that I can add fun fall touches in here without being overboard with like the oranges and the reds. I think the blues and the pinks are so much more calming and perfect for a bedroom.
We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone.
Now, I couldn't resist adding just a few things for my outdoor area. So the first thing I'm doing is swapping my doormat. Funny story, I actually got this Come Back with Pumpkin Spice doormat for free. Kirkland sent it completely by accident and said that I could just keep it. So that's perfect because you know this girl loves a pumpkin spice latte. I also got this blue harvest yard sign that I'm just sticking out by my front stairs just to add a little bit more festivity to my yard. So everything is done. My house is totally ready for the fall season. All I need to do is light a fall candle from Bath & Body Works, and this fall clean and decorate is complete. I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed if you're new, and I'll see you next Monday with another brand new video. Bye!
Just keep on